Yo, what is going on, everybody? Today I am back, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can get to the moon in Minecraft. It is honestly pretty cool, and I promise you this is not fake, no mods whatsoever, and you can get your very own special portal. I promise you there are no add-ons, no mods, no texture packs, nothing. This is pure Minecraft organicness, and I'm going to show you how to get to the moon in Minecraft. Let's get straight into it. So here I'm back at the village where I built my end portal thingy. Here it is, and no, this is not fake. I'm going to show you how to make it. It's actually really easy if you probably don't expect that. So I'm gonna go to a new world because you can only do this in one world. Obviously there's only one moon, one portal to the moon. Can't make two portals to the moon. So I'm gonna go to another world and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it over there. But just to give you a demo, get off. You don't want to go to the moon. Get off. Okay, just to give you a demo of how this thing works, I jump into the portal, and I'm on the moon, and I get this jumpy thing. So yeah, there's Earth over there, there's the sun over there, made of glowstone. Yeah, I totally didn't make that. And you can press this button to go back to Earth, which basically just kills you because you can't just like teleport back to Earth. It's not how physics works. So let me go to a new world and I'll show you guys exactly how to make this cool portal thing and how to get to the moon. So I'm making my new world. Make sure it's in creative because you can't make this in survival. It's a creative thing. Moon world, there. Make sure that you're in creative, and I'm going to go super flat because that's my favorite type of world. And try not to spawn it inside a village. That's what I did, but try not to do that because there are probably going to be villagers jumping into your portal. So I'm gonna make it a little farther away from this village. So what you're gonna want to make this is an end portal thing. End portal, there, we're gonna need that. And you're gonna need some Eye of Enders. So we're gonna make a portal to the end. But in order to make this, you're gonna have to make it from the inside. If you craft it from the outside, then it's not gonna work. You have to do it from the inside, just like this. If you do it from the outside, it's not gonna work, I repeat. And then just get your Eyes of Ender and put the thing in. And if it does the smoke thing, then you're doing it right. And you do that, and boom, you got your Ender portal. The cool thing about being in creative and having an Ender portal is you can just destroy the things around them. And you can make your own design for an end portal. Let's just go with the simple one right now, or a moon portal actually. Let's just go with the simple one right now. Let's go with endstone because that looks like the moon. And maybe some wool. Some white wool, that should work. We can make it like that. Add a few of those, and now you have your moon portal. This is not going to bring you to the moon just yet. You're going to have to do a few things. So let's go over to the end. You're going to end up in this place with obsidian at the bottom. So what you're going to want to do is dig a little. Right here, you're going to have to put an observer, okay? Put an observer down. Make sure you put it this way, just like that. And you want to take a command block. Okay, I just forgot that you can't take command blocks from here. You want to get a command block, bam. Alright, so I got a command block. You're going to have to place it right there. But try to make it so that there's an arrow, okay? You got an arrow pointing that way. So now you have this command block right here. And hold on, there. And let me back up, that command block right there. And this is all you're going to technically need to get to the moon. But before you want to use those command blocks, you're going to have to find the way out of here. There, so I found my way out. Make sure you don't lose your hole, otherwise you're never going to end up making this. You're going to want to get to the edge of the end island looking thing. I don't know what the heck did I just say. So and then you just want to build sideways until the end the end island is out of sight. So just keep doing that. So now I have built far enough so that I don't see the end island, and it seems like I'm in the middle of space. Now what you're gonna want to do is destroy the entire thing except for this one block, because that's what you're gonna base your entire moon off of. So I'm just gonna go all the way back. Alright, now don't destroy the entire thing. And now you're gonna want to fly all the way back. So let's go ahead and do that. Just fly straight until you see that little dot. That is your little island off to the outskirts of the end. And you're going to want to take its coordinates. If you don't know how to do that, F3. You take that, 309, 39, 4, 309, 39, 4. So you're going to have to memorize those numbers, 309, 49, 4. Take the coordinates of that block, 309, 49, 4, and you're going to want to put it in right here. Slash TP at P 309, 49, then put, 49, 4. That's all you're going to want to do. So, bam. So as soon as you destroy this block right here, you're teleported right to your blocking island. You're gonna want to find your way back, and it's probably gonna be really hard. Oh yeah, so make sure you also mark on your island which way the main island is, because you could easily get lost in this big abyss of darkness. So let's go back to the main island. Once you have that teleporter command block ready, and you've teleported to your island, make sure you mark where the island is. You're back at the island, and you're going to want to go back into your little hole thing. Make this into a chain command block. And this one. So now I have chains, and you're going to want to put slash fill, and you're going to memorize this right here, 102.48.2. You can see it at the bottom left, 102.48.2. 102.48.2. So I got that in. Let me just double check. 102.48.2. And you want to go to the exact other corner of the obsidian square, and it's going to be 98.48 negative 2. 98.48 negative 2. 98.48 negative 2. 98.48. 48. Negative 2. And you're going to want to fill it with air. Done. Let's see if that works. So if you do it correctly, this thing should be filled with air as soon as you teleport. Once you teleport into the end, a bed of obsidian will spawn right here, which will trigger the observer, which will make you teleport to the moon, and then, well, to your island block right now, and then it will fill it with air so that next time you come, this will still be triggered. And then for the last one, you want to put slash effect give at P, and then you want to put jump boost. Jump boost 1000, then put 4. Do not put 100 because you'll be jumping like 25 feet into the air. So now that you have the jump boost in there, you also want to get another observer right on this side just for your jump boost, right like that, and get your observer like that. So it should be observing this obsidian bed, and you're going to want to get some redstone. You got your redstone, and you take it right over, hold on, you're going to want to take it right over to there, so that, just like that. Let's go back to the village. So I'm here now, and I'm going to go back to the village where the portal is. This is the portal. Oh, I forgot one corner. That's fine. Gives it a little style. You jump into your ender portal, and you're on the moon. Okay, so now that you're on your moon island, this is going to be your base. The base of your moon island is going to be this right here. And you basically just want to build this platform thing. I'll just show you guys how to build a moon, I suppose. And make it 5x5 because that's the most optimal one. And you're just going to want to do that so that it's like a thingy, it's diagonal. And you're just going to want to build 5x5 all the way through. So now that I got a 5x5 right here, I'm going to build that all the way around the thing. And then put a 5x5 right on the bottom. Alright, check in on that part. So now I've got this little thing surrounding it, and you don't want to put blocks down there or down there. You want to make it as as like this as you can. Don't put any blocks over here, otherwise your moon is just going to be a cube. We're going to make it look like a circle, and I show you how just in a little bit, so just keep building the 5x5s. And when you get to the bottom, you want to do the exact same thing as you did to the top, so it looks like it's symmetrical all three ways. So now you got this 5x5 thingy. It still looks like a cube almost, and it's basically a moon now. But if you want to improve that, you're going to want to build a 3x3 in the middle of the 5x5, so it looks more like a circle, just like that. And we're going to do that on all sides. So once you've added your 3x3s, just like that, you have your little moon thing. And try not to add it at the top, because then it just looks like a pyramid. So you don't want to do it at the top. But if you do it on the sides, it looks like a circle, and that's all you're gonna need. But if you want to do an extra addition, you want to put something down here, a command block, and you're gonna want to get a button. I'm gonna want to get a button. Sound like a rap god. Sound like Eminem. Gonna want to get a button. Gonna want to get a okay. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Okay, so you get this, and you put /kill at P, because that's the only way to get out of, the end, but in this case it's the moon now. And you put that there, and that's your button to get back home. I put a sign on mine. You don't have to do it on yours. And you could put a sun if you want. You could build the earth if you want. So all you need is some glowstone for that. To build the sun, you're basically just going to do the same thing you did to the island. And you're going to build sideways a lot, and just build another moon, and you have your moon. And there might be a few aliens spawning in. Sure, they're just Endermen, but they can be counted as aliens. That's what I'm going to call them. There's your sun over there, and if you want, you can build an earth on that side, which took me a very, very long time to build an earth. I had to literally copy it off a map, but yeah, just for you guys' satisfaction, and just to get back on earth. Boom. You lose your jump too. So now you have your end portal. You could walk through the crystalline objects that are floating randomly. And yeah, so that's your moon portal. You want to walk just right in? Boom. And you're on the moon. Boom, baby. That's freaking awesome. So thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to smash that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, because here at Random Reddit, we like making the impossible possible. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, and if what you want to find out in the next video, we will try to recreate it. Put it down in the comments. If you want to get to Jupiter, we'll try to do that. If you want to, I don't know, like spawn an ender mob or something, I don't know. If you want anything that seems impossible in Minecraft, make sure to put it down in the comments, and we will try to recreate it, just like we did in this moon tutorial. So yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.